How's it going, everybody? Forrest here. I'm ripping 2020 Select Football Hobby 3-box, number 94. These results and the results to any random can always be found on LaytonSportsCards.com under the Results tab. Let's do it, everybody. Thank you very much for joining. Brandon, what's up, bud? Been good. Been good. Breaking, working. Everybody here's working hard. I've been fine, yeah. How have you been, man? Alrighty, come on now. See like a 101 field level or something. Michael Pittman Jr. Concourse for the Colts. Silver Concourse Jeff Okudah rookie Lions. And a Judy Premier level rookie. Denver. Concourse Joey B. Bengals rookie. Red club level. That is David Johnson Texans. It's a 49. Club level silver Melvin Gordon Broncos. There's a Dak field level. Robinson. Chase Young, club level rookie Washington. Tre'Davious White out of 49, Jersey Bills. Silver Premier level, Tua Tagovailoa. Nice one for the Dolphins. Jay Coulter. Yes, man, glad to have you in the break. Who'd you get in the random? Oh, you got the Bengals in the random? Jeez, man, we got to pull you a Burrow now. Keyshawn Vaughn. Silver Premier level, Russell Wilson. Seahawks. Yasi, Ruggs. Silver Jacobs insert Raiders. Silver Concourse Watt for the Texans. Van Jefferson Premier level. Rams rookie there. Got an orange coming up. It's a Denzel Mims Concourse rookie orange for the Jets. Number to 49. Premier level silver rookie Justin Jefferson. There you go, Vikings. Concourse rookie Justin Jefferson Vikings. From James Morgan Concourse rookie Jets. Concourse silver rookie Jets. Brown, Tua Concourse, Dolphins. Tricolor, Daniel Jones, club level to 99. Giants, club level silver rookie, Harrison Bryant. And Hamler. We've got a gold coming up. It is going to be Concourse Gold Rookie, CJ Ham. Vikings, numbered to 10. Isaiah Hodgins, auto to 35, rookie for the Bills. Jarius Sneed. Yeah, I pulled the Burrow blue field level that break too. Up to like 75 or something like that. CeeDee Lamb Concourse. Silver Concourse T. Higgins Bengals. There's a Rager. Silver Selections J.K. Dobbins Ravens. Premier level silver Huntley for the Eagles. Club level blue for the Bucks is 75. Keyshawn Vaughn. 75. Antonio Gibson rookie jersey out of Washington. Solid one there for Washington. And a Brady Premier level Bucks. Silver Concourse Danucci. Cowboys, rookie there. Young and a T. Higgins tricolor concourse. It's 199 Bengals rookie. Silver Derek Brown, Panthers rookie. Tie-dye patch rookie Devin Duvernay, Ravens. 16 of 25. Silver Concourse rookie CeeDee Lamb, Cowboys. Premier level CD base. Chase Young. Silver Tannehill, Titans Concourse. Silver Plunkett, Patriots. Club level silver James Morgan, Jets rookie. Yeah, Lane's boy, Devin Duvernay. Queen, Werf's club level. Bradley Chubb, Concourse blue rookie. Broncos to 175. Premier level Mahomes, silver Chiefs. Gibson. Silver Concourse Gibson, rookie Washington. Concourse purple Cam Newton Pats, number 275. And a field level rookie silver Gabe Davis Bills. There he is, UCF legend. AFC divisional round legend. There's a field level DeAndre Swift rookie. Jordan Love Concourse rookie. Packers. Eason Morgan field level rookie. Tricolor to 75 Jets. Ed McCaffrey to 25 on the Broncos auto. Ed McCaffrey. And a Justin Herbert Premier level rookie. Chargers base. We need a boom. This is Silver Concourse Drew Brees Saints. Silver Deshaun Watson Snapshots Texans. Mariota Silver Field Level Raiders. Tricolor Premier Level Antonio Gibson Washington to 199. KJ Hamler rookie jersey auto to 199 Denver. And Higgins Premier Level rookie Bengals. Come on, last box, bring us some heat. Big XRC, big rookie color, something crazy. Maybe like a big Brady, big Mahomes. The rookies. Burrow, Herbert, Tua, Hurts. Jefferson, CD, Taylor. Club level silver Michael Pittman Jr. Colts rookie. Silver Manning for the Giants. Silver Premier Level Mahomes Chiefs. Nice, Mike. Congrats, man. Of course, Matos, Dobbins, Phillip Rivers, Silver Colts. Concourse, Jalen Johnson. Edwards club level. Tie-dye rookie premier or field level, Josh Uche Patriots. I like that card. There you go, Patriots. One of the guys I have some cards of. J.K. Dobbins, rookie jersey auto Ravens, the 99. Jonathan Taylor, premier level rookie for the Colts. P. Ryan Ham. Michael P. Ryan Premier Level Neon Green for the Jets. Rookie to 49. Silver Rookie Field Level Zach Moss Bills. Evans. We have an XRC coming up. So Dobbins Club Level Rookie Ravens. Blue Field Level Rookie Jordan Brooks Seahawks. Oh, I thought it was an XRC. It's not. It's an Austin Hooper Auto to 75 Browns. That threw me off right there. That little piece of red color. Sorry about that, guys. Jason Witten. Jonathan Taylor Concourse Colts. Silver Concourse Tua for the Dolphins. Do the patches have levels? So Dylan Concourse Packers. Christian McCaffrey. Silver Concourse Derek Brown Panthers. Pittman Silver Colts insert. Club level Silver Rice for the Niners. Come on, let's see it. Boom. Delpit Blankenship Premier Level. Tricolor to 199 Colts. Silver Derek Brown Panthers rookie. Ayuk Premier Level rookie Niners. Van Jefferson Field Level rookie white. It's a 35 for the Rams. There you go, Rams. Silver Premier Level Tua again for the Dolphins. Dolphins did pretty well, actually. That's like the third silver for Tua. It's a 99 Jerome Bettis, a Steelers jersey card. Concourse Silver Lamar Jackson Ravens. And a Jalen Hurts Premier Level on the back for the Eagles. Let's do a recap. Jersey cards Bettis, Duvernay tie-dye patch rookie for the Ravens, Tre'Davious White, Austin Hooper auto, J.K. Dobbins jersey auto, Hamler jersey auto, McCaffrey tie-dye, Antonio Gibson, Isaiah Hodgins. Kept waiting for the boom, guys. It never came. I'm sorry. It's not the best 3 boxes, but we do appreciate you joining. Really do.